Alright, so here in this video, we're going to look at this question. The question that I have here is, if sine theta is equal to 5/13, find the value of 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Again, the question is, if sine theta is equal to 5/13, find the value of 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Alright, so in solving this kind of question, the first thing I would want to do is to write out this sine theta. So I have that sine theta is equal to what? 5/13. Alright? So the next thing I would want to do is to draw out a right angle triangle. Alright, so my right angle triangle is going to go like this, and like this, so that I can look for what? I can look for my tan theta. So this is the right angle, and this is my what? Theta. So you should know that sine theta is equal to what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. From (𝒕𝒂𝒏). Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Alright, so my opposite is what? Is 5. Because sine theta in our question is 5/13. So that means that my opposite is what? Is 5. So the opposite is the side facing this what? Acute angle, the theta. So here is what? 5. And my hypotenuse is what? 13. The hypotenuse is the side facing this right angle, and it is what? 13. So what I don't have is my adjacent, x. So I will name that as x. Alright, so how do I look for my adjacent, which is x? I can look for this using what? Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, we have that hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Alright. Okay, so what is my hypotenuse? My hypotenuse is the side facing what? This right angle, and that is what? 13. So that will be 13 squared is equal to, what is my opposite? My opposite is the side facing this acute angle, and it is what? 5. So 5 squared plus my adjacent. My adjacent is the side where this right angle and this acute angle lies, and that is x, right? X squared. Right? So 13 squared is 20 times 13, and that will give you 169, equal to 5 squared is 5 times 5, and that will give you 25, plus what? X squared. So the next thing I will do is to collect like terms. Alright, so I will take this 25 to the other side of the equation, and that will be 169 minus what? 25 is equal to what? X squared. So 169 minus 25 will give me 144, equal to what? X squared. So in other words, my x squared is equal to what? 144. So the next thing I will do is to find the square root of both sides in order for me to find what? X. So this will be square root of x squared, and this will be the square root of what? 144. So that this square can cancel out the square root. So my x will be equal to the square root of 144. So the square root of 144 is what? Is 12. Alright, so that tells me that my x is equal to what? Is 12. So I haven't looked for the other side. The next thing I will do is now to look for the value of 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Alright. So the next thing is to look for 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Alright. So my tan theta, you should know that tan theta is equal to what? Opposite over what? Adjacent, from (𝒕𝒂𝒏). Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. So what is my opposite? And what is my adjacent? So my opposite is the side facing this theta, all right, and that is 5. All right, and my adjacent is the side where the right angle and this acute angle lies, and that is 12. All right, so my tan theta will be equal to what? 5/12, which is opposite all over adjacent. So this will be 1 plus tan theta. We have looked for it. All right, tan theta is what? Tan theta is equal to opposite over what? Adjacent. Our opposite is what? 5. So that will be, instead of me to write tan theta, I'm going to write opposite all over adjacent. And our opposite is what? 5 over adjacent. Our adjacent is what? Is 12/12 over 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta in this value is what? 5/12, which is opposite all over what? Adjacent. So the next thing I will do is to solve this fraction. So this is like 1 all over 1, and this is also the same thing as 1 all over 1. All right, so I'm going to look for the LCM of 12 and 1. The LCM of 12 and 1 is 12, so this will be 12. 12 divided by 1 is 12, times 1 is 12, so that will be 12 plus 12 divided by 12 is 1, times 5 is what? 5, over the LCM of 12 and 1 is what? Is 12. 12 divided by 1, 12, times 1 is 12. So that will be 12 minus 12 divided by 12 is 1, times 5 is what? 5. So 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 will give me what? Will give me 17/12 divided by what? 12 minus 5 will give me what? 7 over what? 12. So I have 17/12 divided by what? By 7 all over 12. This expression can also be written as 17/12 divided by what? Divided by 7 all over what? All over 12. So to change this, my division to multiplication, I will have to invert this fraction by my right. So this will be 17/12 times 12 over what? 7. So what I did here is to convert this division to multiplication. So when you convert this division to multiplication, you are going to invert this fraction, turn it upside down. All right? So, and that is what we've just done here. My 12 will come up and my 7 will come down. And that is what we have here. So this 12 will cancel out this 12. So what I now have is 17 all over 7. All right? So I have 17 all over what? All over 7. So 17 divided by 7 is what? 17 divided by 7 will give you 2 whole number. All right? How many will remain? So it's just like we're counting 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And you want to divide it by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the 2 whole number that it gave us. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So the remaining 3 over what? Over 7. This is my answer to this question. All right? It's a very simple and straightforward question. So you can always go over the video again and again and get the understanding.